The field of statistics is the art and science of collecting, analyzing, presenting, and interpreting data. A lot of psychology students are surprised and sometimes dismayed to realize that statistic courses are required for graduation. Not only will you need to take at least 1 or 2 courses in statistics, but you will probably also encounter the subject in many of your other classes, particularly those that involve experimental design or research methods. In other words, you not only need to be able to pass a statistics class, but you also need to be able to understand statistics as well. So, why are stats important in psychology? Well, first, let's think about the importance of stats in general. Stats allow us to make sense and interpret a great deal of information. Consider the sheer volume of data you encounter on a given day. How many hours did you sleep? How many students in your class ate breakfast this morning? How many people live within 1 mile radius of your home? By using statistics, we can organize and interpret all of this information in a meaningful way. In psychology, we are also confronted with an enormous amount of data. How do changes in one variable impact other variables? Is there a way that we can measure that relationship? What is the overall strength of that relationship, and what does it mean? Stats allow us to answer these kind of questions. Now, let us review what descriptive stats mean. Descriptive statistics refer to methods for summarizing and organizing the information in a data set. Data sets include information collected on elements. Variables are characteristics of an element and can take different values for different elements. Variables may be either quantitative or qualitative.